Hey guys, so in this video we're going to be talking about metaphase, which is the third phase of mitosis. If you haven't seen my previous video on the second phase, which is prometaphase, it is linked at the end. So what exactly happens during metaphase? This is a moment in which all the chromosomes line up right in the center of the cell along the metaphase plate. Remember that the metaphase plate is not a real structure, but it's more like an imaginary line that helps the cell organize itself. Each chromosome, it's now fully attached to spindle fibers that come from the opposite poles of the cell. These fibers, they connect to a structure on each chromosome called the kinetochore. Our spindle fibers, they're going to pull on the kinetochores just enough to create tension, sort of like tug-of-war. But the really cool part is that before the cell can move on and continue the cycle, it stops at the metaphase checkpoint. The cell is literally going to double check to make sure that every chromosome is lined up properly and that it's securely attached. Even if one chromosome isn't in the right spot, that whole process stops until the issue is fixed or the cell goes into apoptosis. But why does this matter? It matters because so much can go wrong during metaphase. A cell can end up with too many or too little chromosomes, leading to something called aneuploidy. And aneuploidy can lead to conditions like trisomy 21 or Down syndrome, and it can even contribute to cancer. But if everything is good to go, then that cell is going to move into the next phase, which is anaphase, in which the sister chromatids are finally getting pulled apart. And that's actually the related video. So if you haven't already, remember to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. See you next time.